Hello everyone. First of all, today I start in and before 3 days I not come and not explaining myself and not uploaded in video. Why? In some issue, but today that right now this started. In if you concern in continue watching my watching my video and listen, then differently you improve your little bit more. I not wasted me my time in this in the wasted topic. This one I come in the main point today. What topic and what subject and what I do I explain for you. First I wake on walk off in 8 a.m. Then I discuss and thinking little bit tomorrow what I study, and then I went to go in a mess and eat some foods, and then decide कि I in with also in the Alok, and Alok will decide कि Alok and we decide Alok say कि where are you after eating, where are you going? So I say कि I am going to in the gym. See कि that this time in gym, yes, and that time I decide कि I just that time I thinking कि I made the video, I uploaded the video, and that type of videos I'm in backlog, completely backlog. But फिर Alok is came with me, and then not I have not uploaded that type of video is thing. But some work out, and then decide कि I use in CV application improve some English speaking, and that's little bit 2 and 3 call and discuss and some talk in another person in different person, and topic is a different basically how you are in people is not interested to talk me, but I decide to okay, and then go and the room and reading MBC did you Brandon, and what and in starting in the executor's agent, this in what type of executor agent is available. First is water, foam, CO2, chemical powder, wet chemical powder, and clean agent. Alternative of electricity. And right now you need alternative clean agent also, an alternative clean agent. And first is that time I that before, and that in the after in right now I read in the clean agent. And first is what is a clean agent? Is a clean first of all I read in this of halogen and alternative of halogen. First is forget in the methyl carbonate, and just forget in two name. This is a ban in India. Why? This is a ban only reason he is a chemical to in a disadvantage to deflect ozone layer deflection, and another is a halogen 11, 12 and 11, and this halogen is a used in some year in the portable extinguisher, and halogen in 1301 use in the fixed firefighting system in fixed use in fixed use in some time in the fixed fire fighting system, and but it's a very unique, and is a very fast response, and is non-conductive, but only one reason, and chemical reaction, but only one reason is not used in because this ozone layer deflection, and that region in also India is one, and after that is this in the given the substitution in the hydrogen. What is a substitute? First is only four cutride. First is a hydrocarbon compound. Second is a mixed system, and third inert gas, and third and a powder of aerosol. And I little bit read in the hydrocarbon compound, in hydrocarbon compound in the further divided in the five types. First in HBFC. What is the full form of HBFC? Hydrocarbon hydrobromo or fluorocarbon. And second hydrochloride fluoride in carbon of HCFC. And third of HFC, hydrocarbon fluoride carbon. And the third is HIC. FC is a perfluorocarbonate. And third is fluoro fluoroidocarbon or carbon. In the name is substitute right now for it. You what substitute? FM 227 EI and FE. Just little bit forget because today I learned that reason I forget that type of name and this area is okay. And another key point, another is very suitable for this area. And in all the 5 point, it is similar to halogen 3105. And all the properties available, but is effective is similar to less. And halogen 3101 is a very fast stage compared to this is a loan, but most of the properties is similar in the matching which region to all this is a substitution in the right now we are available is right now available. Yes. And that read that all that I read in that time. And before sleeping in the evening, I read in the one around 20 and 30 minutes in Radio Prendra is substitution the CO2. What is the CO2? First is CO2 and why you CO2 used in the class B and C5 is a colorless ordinary, and he died to attack in the CO2 and CO2 in CO2 means oxygen and dilute of CO2 dilution of the CO2 and substitute that and substitution that. And after lunch I read 2 hours in the radio Prendra. What topic that time you read? That time you starting in the first in this. And first is the water. What is the water suitable? Water attack mostly used in the classifier mostly used in the class A5 and that's water is suitable this area 161. And then it is study in the form first of all form is a mechanical and chemical. In chemical form sodium bicarbonate and aluminum acetate that time. But right now also follow the mechanical form further device in class A, class B. In class A in that type of A triple of and a protein and a chloroprotein and alcohol resistance film forming aqueous film forming flame in a form and different just forget right now. No recall right now reason to you are cam and this watch the video when the met the video made the watching not watching this uploaded the watch the met the video. That reason you recall what you study and what you were for is he yes. And mechanical chemical and that and under you electrical substitute and then dry chemical powder. First is sodium bicarbonate and ammonium bicarbonate. And third is using in this of in the dry powder using is of a class D5 monoammonium phosphate class ABC only this point I not record. It's okay, no problem. You take today you are thing, and then your copyright usual that all are written. If you have time, then you read everything is record in your mind. Yes, if you that type of, then definitely you will find out some little bit it's okay. In 10 minutes over, I stop in my point. It's okay. Nice to talk with you. Uploaded in video, and if you daily basis you have three backlog. First, just you not come music, but you have three backlog. In three backlog you cover. I cover in if I am time, then I come and cover in my backlog. But another I just continue uploaded video was okay. Why you are not in the 4 minutes? I have not time, been more time to upload it in substitutes in video. But most of the I just say try.